Miko and I, we've decided that it was time for us to go into the Instagram strategy. What are we going to talk about to everybody who is watching us? We're going to talk about Instagram. We are going to create a Trello board for Instagram. I've done that before in the past, telling you how to create a content calendar. I gave you the basic tips on how to do so, but now I think it's time to go deeper into explanation, like being consistent on Instagram, especially because now I have 2 accounts that I need to take care of. Hi guys, what's up? My name is Justine Lemer. If it's the first time you see me here, I am working into the digital marketing world, and here on YouTube I love to share some social media tips as well as showing you how to create amazing and unique content by editing pictures and more. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and don't forget to like this video because it's going to be amazing. Let's go. As you already understood, this is a plan with me, my Instagram posts. We are going to plan all those posts on Trello. So we're gonna go into my computer, I'm going to record my screen, and together with Mix, we are going to make a killer content calendar Instagram strategy plan with me. I've got to take my computer. Miko, I need my chair. I'm gonna show people how they can schedule the Instagram posts on Trello. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Sir? Sir, excuse me. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna create a board. We're going to call Instagram. We're going to create a board. I'm going to change the background, and I always like to add a kind of desk. I'm going to add some lists. I was thinking of making lists of IDs. I am going to add a list of the pictures that I want to add. So we're going to do photography IDs. Then we're going to do graphic IDs because I am about to share some graphic now on both of my Instagram. We're gonna do quotes IDs because both of my Instagram going to have quotes. Then we're going to go with Reels IDs because on both of my Instagram I will create some Reels. Also, I would love to start writing my caption in advance. So what I used to do is know what I'm going to publish as a post, as the content that I wanted to put out there. However, I've never really wrote the caption before, and I think this is a waste of time. I should write my caption or like know what I want to talk about before posting the actual picture or graphic or whatever. So we're going to think about caption IDs, and then since I need to take care of 2 Instagram accounts, I'm going to do 2 different lists. One for Justine Lemer, my main account, so I will do scheduled posts, and I will put my Instagram handle to know that this is for this Instagram account. Alright, sounds good. And then we're going to do one other list for the post that has been posted. This ID will go into schedule either on Justine Lemer or on create with Justine Lemer. And when this is all over, it will go into the posted section. So perfect. Now that we have those lists, we need to actually do something about it. So we need to write down what we are thinking. I have some idea of reels that I really wanted to make, so let's start with that. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the quotes IDs, and basically I'm going to write some quotes. And so I'm going to keep going like this with my photography IDs, graphic IDs, and caption IDs. So this is just some ideas I get in my head right now that I really want to talk about, like I would say big subject that I want to talk about for my photography ideas. I would love to show more of Miko and I, my dog, and I need to do some couple pictures with my husband, and I would love to show you guys how I plan my days, how I make my to-do lists on my iPad, on my Happy Planner, a lot of that. So I would love to take some picture of that as well. And for the caption ideas, I didn't really went into the details, but basically I wanted to do one about Valentine's Day and what we wanted to do for Valentine's Day this year, and then I wanted to write something about the things that bring you joy and some business tips. But once I have the idea, I can actually click on that card and go more in detail, like there are 5 things that bring me joy, etc, 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 and that then I'll copy into Tailwind or directly into Instagram. So I would do that, and once this caption is right down, I'll be like, okay, this is for Justine Lamer. For example, draw with me for a reel, that will be for create with Justine Lamer. Edit with me as a reel, that would be with Justine Lamer. Make a quote, that would be with create with Justine Lamer. And so each reel will have a date. So I'm planning on posting for Justine Lamer on Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. For create with Justine Lamer, draw with me, I will do Monday, Wednesday. Same, I will do due date. Let's say I want to do it on Sunday, save. And after I'll go into my calendar. I have edit with me, draw with me there. And so at least I know what day I have to do what. So that's kind of nice. I don't know if you ever watched my other Trello tutorial and all the things that I've done, but I do pretty much the same with my other board. I do the same for my blog posts. So that is on January, I just doing this way instead, and my IDs are there. And for YouTube, I do the same as well. My January is like this. This is the post that I did today. This is actually the video that I'm filming right now. And I have other IDs over here, and then I do the due, and on the calendar, I know what goes out when. So yeah, I need to create 1 month of content for that Instagram workflow over here. Alright guys, I hope this video has been kind of helpful to know what you're going to do with your own Instagram account. Are you going to use Trello? Are you going to do the same thing on paper? Why not? Or use another app? This is up to you. I do know that Trello works really well for me when talking about YouTube and my blog schedule. So it was really time for me to level up my game on Instagram and do the same for my content on this platform. If you guys love this video, don't forget to give me a like. I would highly appreciate it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss any of my future uploads. I think next time that I film a video, I will show you how I plan my week and all the little things that I have to do on my Happy Planner, so we can do like a decorate plan with me on my Happy Planner. That could be fun. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, take care.